Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. This will be going up on YouTube, probably Facebook and Instagram also. I've been wanting for a while to do a video about some of the insurance products that you can purchase at a dealership or through your credit union, through your insurance company for your vehicle, and just give you a little bit of my thoughts on them. There's pros and cons to all of them. Reason I'm doing this one today is you're looking at my 2020 LT Equinox. The missus and I, sorry, the better half, we had to drop our Grand Cherokee L off this morning for has a couple recalls on it, and of course I picked up a nail in the tire, which led me to believe this is probably as good a time as any to talk about this. Now, I can't show it to you because it's down in here right now, but up here, so all of a sudden we're driving back, my sensor comes on, there's a pretty sizable nail coming out of there. I'm hoping it can be patched, but if not, if the tire has to be replaced, I'm going to be glad that I had to, when I bought this vehicle back in 2020, I did not go the inexpensive route. There's only, I can't remember, $500 I believe for wheel and tire through Ally. Ally Insurance is our main provider for these programs, for most of the ones we use for our wheel and tire. So if the tire has to be replaced, it's not going to cost me any money out of pocket. Compared to best case scenario, I'm probably looking at $150 to $200. If it was just a patch, that would be relatively inexpensive, but you still have to pay for the labor, which is not getting cheaper by the day at any shop that you go to. Also, I have gap insurance on this car. I've been carrying the same negative equity over years and years, every vehicle I trade in. Gap insurance is important in my book. It's the first thing I always get, because what happens? I drive out of here, meteorite lands on this vehicle, Superman pops out and then flies off. I'm stuck. Vehicle is whatever it's totaled out at. Say this vehicle is totaled out at $15,000 and I owe $20,000. The credit union I have this loan through is going to want their money. They're going to want their $5,000. With gap insurance, that's going to cover the difference. That's why I consider it to be the most important one. Now, obviously, if you're in a situation, you're buying a vehicle, and it's never at any point do you think that if it gets totaled out, that the value of the vehicle will be less than what the loan value will be, less than what the totaled out amount from the insurance company is. Then you don't need gap insurance. Don't buy it. But if you think there's any chance you're going to owe more on that vehicle than it's worth if it's totaled out, it is a good investment. You can get it through your dealership that you're buying from, through the lending institution. You have to do it at the point of purchase. You can also get these products through your insurance company. Say, for example, you're with Liberty Mutual, Emu. That's who we're with. But then you will have your deductible amount, which, depending on the people, $200,000, $500,000, you will have to pay that difference. But I always highly recommend it no matter what route you go. And of course, you can get extended service contracts, things like that. If once the warranty runs out on this vehicle, I got a fully loaded extended warranty. I wanted bumper to bumper, so I took mine out to 60,000 miles to match up to the powertrain warranty that was already on the vehicle. That way, if something goes wrong, the power seat goes out after it's out of warranty, or God forbid, something electrical goes wrong that's not covered by the powertrain warranty after the 36 months, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty goes out. If you have any questions, I will be more than happy to answer them. You leave a question in the comments section, or give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to my rambling, and have a great day.